How to transfer data from Samsung S22 Ultra to iPhone. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to transfer all your data from Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra to an iPhone using Apple's free Move to iOS app. Whether it's contacts, photos, messages, or more, we'll guide you through each step to make your switch seamless. What do you need? Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, new iPhone, Wi-Fi connection, both devices charged or connected to a power, Move to iOS app installed on your Samsung, available on the Google Play Store. Step-by-step transfer process. 1. Prepare your iPhone. Turn on your iPhone and begin the setup process. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, select Move Data from Android. 2. Set up Move to iOS on Samsung. Open the Google Play Store on your Samsung device. Search for and install the Move to iOS app. Launch the app, tap Continue, and accept the terms and conditions. 3. Connect the devices. On your iPhone, tap Continue on the Move from Android screen. A 6 or 10-digit code will appear. Enter this code on your Samsung device when prompted. 4. Select Data to transfer. Your Samsung will connect to a temporary Wi-Fi network created by the iPhone. Once connected, you will see a screen to select the data you wish to transfer: contacts, message history, photos and videos, web bookmarks, mail accounts, calendars, and more. Choose the desired data and tap Continue. 5. Complete the transfer. Wait for the transfer process to complete. The duration will depend on the amount of data. Once finished, tap Done on your Samsung device. On your iPhone, tap Continue setting up iPhone and follow the remaining setup steps. And that's it. You successfully transferred your data from your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra to your new iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.